morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Prabhata Loves Movies. Today I'll be talking about Kabir Bedi's autobiography, The Stories That I Must Tell. The first thing that strikes you about the autobiography is the honesty with which Kabir Bedi has put his life in the public. This honesty can be particularly seen in the way that he talks about his relationships, whether that is the open marriage with Pratima Bedi or the relationship that he had with the then glamorous actress Parveen Bavi that changed his life. He also talks about the trauma of the three divorces and how he finally got fulfillment. In brief, we can say that Kabir Bedi has laid his soul bare and takes you on a roller coaster journey. The book begins off with his stint as a freelancer in Delhi at All India Radio. His biggest achievement as a freelancer is interviewing the then famous band Beatles. However, he quits his job due to certain reasons and goes to Bombay in search of an acting career. The book also gives a glimpse of Kabir Bedi's life in Delhi and his friendships with the Gandhis, the Sanjay Gandhi and also Rajiv Gandhi. They had met in Kabir Bedi's first school in Delhi. After moving to Bombay, we see Kabir Bedi's struggle in becoming a model. It is here that he meets Pratima Bedi. After a brief courtship, both of them finally enter into a relationship. More than his Bollywood journey, Kabir Bedi focuses on his international career with particular reference to Sandhu Khan, which made him a household name in Italy. In the last chapters, he talks about his father, a philosopher in Europe, and also his English born mother. There is also the heart rending chapter on his son Siddharth's battle with schizophrenia and the consequent suicide. The best thing about the book is how Kabir Bedi puts the various strands of his life together: mortal, material, and also spiritual. There is a certain deftness in the way Kabir Bedi writes the book, and never once you feel that he is a first time storyteller. Not surprisingly, the best chapters are reserved for his loved life and his parents. There is a certain candidness in the way he reminisces about both the women. He calls the relationships as moving from one emotionally draining woman to the other. However, at the same time, he also talks about his mistakes and never paints himself as a perfect man. Due to this, the book also gets the required emotional heft. Coming to the parents, their love story is indeed unique. Their journeys from being revolutionaries in pre-independence era to finally turning to spirituality makes for a fascinating read. Kabir Bedi writes all these things in a very deft manner. Kabir Bedi's childhood also makes for an interesting read. We see that he was a Buddhist monk for the initial part of his childhood in Rangoon. He had experiences with lot of religions because of his family's lineage to Guru Nanak Dev, and his mother also being ordained as a Buddhist nun. In the chapter Ramblings on the Beach, Kabir Bedi talks about his views on different religions, and these include world religions as well. The most heartbreaking chapter in the book, though, is regarding his son Siddharth's battle with schizophrenia. You can see the helplessness of a father who, in spite of his best efforts, is not able to save his son. This chapter will make you deeply emotional. The only slight flaw in the book is that we never understand why Kabir Bedi jumped into so many marriages. He has done 4 marriages altogether, but there is never a mention, but there is not much that he talks about his second and third marriage, or for the matter of fact, about the son from his second marriage. His daughter Pooja Bedi acted in certain movies but was never really successful. But his granddaughter Alaya F made an impressive debut in last year's Jawani Janeman. She also won the Best Debut Actress. And if I have to go by her first film, she looks like having a promising career. In totality, Stories I Must Tell takes you on a roller coaster journey of emotions. It feels like a deeply personal story and never feels superficial. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel Prabhata Loves Movies. Signing off until we meet next time, Rego Bharta Prabhata.